Money is power, and you ought to be reasonably ambitious to have it. You ought, because you can do more good with it than you can without it. Never in the history of the world did the poor man without capital have such an opportunity to get rich quickly and honestly as he has now. I say to you, you ought to get rich. The man that worships the dollar instead of thinking of its purposes for which it ought to be used, the man who idolizes simply money, the miser that hoards his money in the cellar or hides it in a stocking or refuses to invest it where it will do the world good, that man who hugs the dollar until the eagle squeals, in him the root of all evil. I pity the rich man's son. He can never know the best things in life. One of the best things in life is when a young man has earned his own living and when he becomes engaged to some lovely young woman and makes up his mind to have a home of his own. Then with that same love comes that divine inspiration toward better things. He begins to save money. He begins to leave off his bad habits and put money in the bank. When he has a few $100s, he goes out to the suburbs to look for a home. He goes to the savings bank perhaps for half the value, and he goes to his wife and takes the bride over the threshold of that door for the first time and says the words of eloquence my voice can never touch. I have earned this home myself. It is all mine, and I divide with thee. That is the grandest moment a human heart may ever know.